times have you commented that you instantly regretted? With the words still fresh in the air, you realize that those words serve no good purpose, but rather further deteriorate the situation. In this video, I will introduce you to a powerful tool, pause, which helps to step into intentional living. Albert Cooper said, "A true history of human events would show that a far larger proportion of our acts are the result of impulses and accidents than of reason of which we so often boast." We are programmed to feel our emotions before we process them. This programming served us well when we encountered threats to our life regularly. It played a very important role in human evolution and survival by powering our fight, flight, or freeze response and protected us from the physical dangers we faced. Today, we do not face life-threatening situations as often, but our brain has not evolved to differentiate between the types of dangers. It makes us react in the same manner even when we feel a threat to our self-esteem, ego, or value system. This programming makes our behavior reactive. For example, when we verbally or physically attack someone or cry and later regret our reaction. We all need tools to step into intentional living to move from reactive to proactive mindset. One such tool is pause. When we encounter situations that trigger us, just a 6 seconds pause before reacting helps us to get a distance from the heat of the moment and allows time for the thinking process to start. Once we start to think, our reactions will be muted or changed so that the chances of saying or doing something we will later regret significantly decrease. It's very important to know how do you engage that moment of pause. This is very important. You have to pause, but how do you engage that moment of pause? You need to have a planned and practiced technique for pausing. Planned and practiced technique for pausing. There should be some practiced ritual that you engage that should include 3 components. First, breathe. The technique is to close your mouth and count to 8 while breathing in slowly and deeply through your nose. Take your breath all the way down to your belly. Place your hand on your belly and feel it expand like a balloon. Gently let the air out through your mouth. Second, there should be some physical movement that you immediately can revert to as you breathe. Some of the examples include taking a long sip of coffee, removing your eyeglasses, adjusting your tie, getting up and stretching, or consciously shifting your body weight. Third, you should have a mantra that you should recite while breathing and performing the physical movement. That mantra should be uniquely yours and should be something that helps you shift your thoughts and gain perspective. Some examples can be, "It's okay," or "This too shall pass," or my mantra is, "Pain now or pain later." The 3 simple actions that make up the step are called pause, a deep long breath, a shift in your physical movement, and a mantra should be practiced and rehearsed until you can instantly revert to this pattern. Pause allows for a cool down period that enables the rational brain to catch up with your limbic system. It sets the stage for thoughtful rather than reactionary behavior. Pause before judging. Pause before assuming. Pause before accusing. Pause before acting harshly. Do let us know how taking an effective 6-second pause has improved your productivity, strengthened your relations, and reduced your stress. Thanks for listening.